How to create a TurboTax account. Hi guys, welcome to our channel. Let's begin. In this video, I will guide you on how you can create a TurboTax account. For this, you can download and install the TurboTax app on your device. To install it, you can head over to Play Store or App Store. Now, if you do not have the application, you can open up a web browser as well. Once you have opened it, head over to turbotax.intuit.com. Once you get on this page, tap on the sign in option at the top right corner of your screen. Now, here you have the option of create an account. Go ahead and tap on that. Now you will have to enter some details over here. The first thing you have to enter here is your email address. Go ahead and enter that. Now you will have to create your user ID. After that, you will have to create a password. Make sure that you create a strong one. Then you will have to enter your phone number over here. Make sure that you enter that as well. After that, you want to tap on the create account option at the bottom of your screen. Now, an OTP code has been sent to the mobile number you just entered. All you want to do is enter those 6-digit code over here, then tap on the continue option. Once your mobile number has been verified, you will have to agree to terms and conditions. Make sure you review the terms and conditions properly. Now, you will have to fill in other required fields. After you have entered all of the required details, tap on the Create Account option at the bottom. Now, you will have to check your email for a verification message. As you can see, this is the email that they have sent. All you want to do here is tap on Verify My Email option. Once your account is created and verified, you can log in and start using TurboTax for your tax preparation needs. And that's it for this video. If you found it helpful, please make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more videos like this.